911 operators. What call scares you till this day? Sometimes the calls that stick with you aren't the most physically traumatic. I once received a call from a 17-year-old who had come home from a sleepover, only to find that his mother had moved out. She had packed up his sister and all their belongings, leaving no forwarding address or contact information. To make matters worse, she had turned off his cell phone that morning, leaving him with no option but to call 911. He was trying so hard not to cry, and his voice was shaking as he kept apologizing for calling 911. He didn't know what else to do and had no other family. She took everything, so all he had were a couple of things he had taken to the friend's house. He told me his 18th birthday was in a couple of weeks and he literally had nothing. The officers who responded took him to a shelter. I think about him often and hope he's okay. Even if he was a kid who got in trouble or had behavioral issues, I can't imagine coming home to find your mother has abandoned you.